Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Ivy J's, and this is Glitz Glam, and I'm gonna be showing you some applying some soft white nails. So, I went ahead and I applied the tips, and the monomer. I mean, the acrylic that I'm gonna be using is all young nails. I love young nails. Oh, actually, I actually made that soft white, but I mixed white with their clear white. So you're gonna have to like make up your own little soft white. Like you could make it, like you don't have to buy that color soft white. Maybe I'll do it another video on how to do soft white acrylic. Just ask me in the comments below if you guys want to see a video. Alright, so you guys are gonna see me going ahead and grabbing my acrylic with my first dipping with my monomer and then grabbing my acrylic. But if you guys notice, like each time I go in, before I put in the white acrylic, I put a little thin layer on her natural nail of clear acrylic, because it makes the nails last longer. Keep in mind, I already primed her nails, you know, using the Young Nails primer. I love that primer too. But that clear little coat on her natural nails help her nails last longer. Oh yes, and I meant you mix clear white with white, and then you make the milky soft white acrylic. Again, you mix white acrylic with clear acrylic, and you get that milky milk bath acrylic. Yay! But anyways, I really wanted to jump in on to tell you that that brush is from Curious Sky, and I'm loving it. Yeah, I've been doing nails for 5 years already, and my sister got me like because my sister does nails too, and she works with me. She works in the desk behind me right there, that same desk you see. She works right behind me, and she's annoying sometimes. Just playing. But anyways, yeah, she got me to over my 5 years of doing nails. I always get I know for sure you have to get Klowinski hair brushes. That's for sure. But I never been one to get little fancy name brushes, because I think they're a waste of money. But let me tell you, Kara Sky went all out with her little brush. You know what I mean? Like, they really thought deep. I don't know what little formula they use, but it's just not the Klowinski hair. It's their little technique or something. I don't know what the hell they do, you know what I mean? But their brush is bomb. I highly recommend their brush. Their brushes are a bit pricey, but they are worth it. Girl, that size of brush that I have is a size 12. For this length now, I should have a size at least 18. But the thing about when I use a smaller brush, it gives me time to it gives me more time to give me that sharp edge look, because I'm continuously having to grab beads from the acrylic, you know, so it gives me time to give to make me have me shape my nail. I like my nails really sharp, you know. If they're gonna be square, I want them really, really square. And you know, when you're laying down your acrylic, that's very important, that you're laying down that acrylic smoothly. And by grabbing smaller beads, it gives me more time to distribute the acrylic. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you already do nails, you'll understand me. If you're just beginning, you'll understand me one day. But I'm trying to make it understand for beginners, because like people that already know how to do the nails, like me, like I'll watch nail videos, but I just skim through them to the most important parts of things that I haven't learned, and I'll just skim through them, like because I already know what they're gonna say anyway. I'm just trying to get their technique. But if you're just learning how to lay down the foundation, it's very important to keep these tips. So one tip that you learned, you need a good brush. You know what I mean? So invest in that Clear Sky brush. And you need good acrylic too. But I've used like acrylics that are not like high end, like Young Nails, Valentino, are like high end nail like polishes. I mean acrylics. So, but like the acrylic, I even like lesser brands that are not high end, they have good formulas too. They're just not known. You know what I mean? So not too much of acrylic, but I think more to do with your brush, honestly. Like you need a good brush. And if you can't afford a Clear Sky brush right now, just make sure your brush is Klowinski. It has a Klowinski hair. I'll be tagging these brushes down below, and if you forget the name Klowinski, just copy Clear Sky that says Klowinski, girl. But yeah, go ahead and watch me do these nails, girl. Hi guys, I'm back. I just ate a honey bun, girl. Anyways, I'm just jumping in because right here is a crucial part. Look, I already laid down the acrylic, and you see how I faced her nail towards me, her hand. That's very important. I learned this from this other nail tech I used to work with. That makes your nails really squared and straight from the top, so that's necessary. I already filed her nail with my e-file, and I'm just buffing the nail. I didn't record the e-file. If you guys want me to record the e-file, let me know, girl, Hey guys, so that Mia Secret, Mia Secret top coat, that's a bomb top coat, man. It's like super shiny. I love top coats that are super shiny. And then when my customers come back, it's still shiny. Unless they went to go clean their house with Clorox, girl. Tell your clients to stay away from Clorox or like cleaning products. Or if they are going to use it, make sure they use gloves, because if their nails are not going to stay shiny, even if you have bomb top coat. So, I have a story about a customer one time. I didn't find out. I learned throughout my nail tech experience, like, because I'll get people coming back with dull nails. And I would just think that's just what it happens, you know what I mean? Like, that's just what it is. Or I don't know what I thought, girl, but I just remember people come back with dull nails. And I finally realized that it's because some people don't use gloves when they use cleaning supplies. So yeah, tell your clients if they're gonna use cleaning supplies, wear some gloves. Oh yeah, but yeah, that's Mia Secret glass finish. After my gel, I'm gonna go ahead and get my gummy jelly. This is my favorite for diamonds adhesive. It's my favorite, girl. Mark Estrada is a genius for this one, and I have like tried to find like a dupe. You know what I mean? A dupe means like something like that's this like the same thing but for a cheaper price. But girl, you can't get no cheaper than $9.99, and he always has it on sale for $99.99. If it's not on sale, it's $19.99. And I guess I was trying to find a dupe. I just barely started doing nails. Oh, when I found him, or I was pretty like a year or two in, and I was trying to find a dupe, girl, and no, you're not gonna find a dupe. I don't know, like he probably told his manufacturers like, don't be telling nobody about my formula, or else you're gonna get got. I don't know what he did, but you can't find another one like it. And then you can't beat his price. Go ahead and subscribe to his little website. Not little website, girl. He be going to like Egypt and stuff, girl. His business is not little. But anyways, yeah, Marcus Strata Gummy Jelly. I'll put the link below. And I'm gonna use since I'm gonna just be applying one diamond at a time, I'm just using it like a art pen so I could dab that little formula, like, you know, just a little dot where I'm gonna place the diamond. And trust me, that lasts. And you know what? If you guys do nails, it's good to like put at least one hand. You know, put diamonds on your hands so you could experience what the customers experience, like what you're giving your customers. You know, wear it like so you can know how diamonds really stick. Go ahead and wear diamonds for a week on one hand, and you'll know like what makes these diamonds pop off, what doesn't. But this glue, girl, I don't think they'll pop off unless you grate them off with a cheese grater. Guys, I'm finally finished. I'm going in with my Mia Secret cuticle oil. That is bomb. I don't know where you guys get it from, but I get it from Susie's Nail Supplies. I'll put her link down below, her Instagram, but I don't think she offers shipping. So if you're across the world, hopefully she opens up her website. Yeah, but oh. Alright guys, well this is my grand finale, my bomb nails. These are some square nails, milk bath square nails with a little diamond as requested per by the customer. She's very happy, she's on fleek, she's ready to take on the world. Alright guys, thank you.